Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Trump accounts app not working after an iPhone update. So if the app won't open, keeps crashing, freezes on launch, or isn't working properly after updating your iPhone, just follow along. First, restart your iPhone. After a major iOS update, a simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches. Next, open the App Store and search for the Trump Accounts app. And if an update is available, install it right away since developers often release compatibility updates after newer version of iOS. After that, check whether your iPhone is fully updated. For that, you need to go to Settings, then tap on General and tap on Software Update. If another iOS update is available, install it because Apple sometimes releases bug fix updates shortly after a major release. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try opening the app again. If the app still isn't working, force close it and then try reopening it. You can also free up some storage space by going to Settings, then General, and then tap on iPhone storage. And since low storage can affect app performance, try clearing the storage. If none of these tips work, uninstall the Trump Accounts app and then try reinstalling it again from the App Store. Finally, if the app still isn't working, the developers may be still working on compatibility with the latest iOS version. So waiting for another app update may solve the problem. So that was how to fix the Trump Accounts app not working after an iPhone update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.